The Ethics Committee of Parliament has decided to resummon MP Dennis Gordon to answer more questions on the matter involving the University Hospital of the West Indies and his company Jamaican. Among other things, the Ethics Committee of Parliament examines requests to exempt members if a company they're involved with is party to any contract with the government. It was recently revealed that Jamaican, owned by Dennis Gordon, was one of 4 companies that benefited from the misuse of tax exemptions at the University Hospital of the West Indies. Since then, Jamaican has paid $10 million in customs duty. The matter was discussed at Wednesday's Ethics Committee.
You know, looking at the minutes, I think there might be some new information regarding the Auditor General's report. And based on those reports and what was tabled in the Parliament, we may have to bring back ask a member to return to the committee, just looking at what is before us and what has been revealed in some information that we receive from the PAC meeting.
My issue though is that if permission was granted for the member to be exempted for his company, can we retroactively go back on that? I'm not sure.
Just for summary, the accuracy of information provided by the member in question, as recorded in the minutes, has been called into question in light of subsequent publication in the public domain, and the member is therefore being asked to return to the committee to provide clarification on the answers.